Hello, welcome to Naselefa Academy. In today's tutorial video, we shall be solving some problems involving temperature measurement. Can you convert 20 degrees Fahrenheit to a value in Kelvin? 2. Can you convert minus 20 degrees Celsius to a value in Kelvin or Fahrenheit degrees? For us to solve this problem, we shall refer back to our temperature scales. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and clicking the notification bell to get updated when we post our videos. And don't forget to share our videos and refer your friends. If you are watching us from Facebook, you follow our page Naselefa Academy. We post videos there virtually 2 times every week. Now let us revisit our temperature scales. We know that temperature scales is a scale, or there are scales required for temperature measurement. There are scales required for temperature measurement. So, and we have a centigrade scale. We have centigrade scale, centigrade or Celsius scale. We have Kelvin scale, and we have Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit scale. So now let us see how we can play around conversion involving centigrade or Celsius scale, Celsius, Kelvin scale, and what? Fahrenheit scale. All right. So let us define the lower fixed point of a temperature scale and the upper fixed point. For highest point, for Celsius scale, we have it as this. This is the highest point, and this is the steam point, So for highest point, for Celsius scale, we have this as 0 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius. This corresponds to the what? Highest point, and this corresponds to the steam point. Now for the Kelvin scale, or let's say the Fahrenheit scale, I'll be using F to represent Fahrenheit scale. You have it as, this is 32 degree Fahrenheit, and this is 212 degree Fahrenheit. For Kelvin scale, you have it as, this is 273 Kelvin, and this is 373 Kelvin. So this is the upper fixed point, and this is the what? Lower fixed point. The difference between this upper fixed point and lower fixed point is what is called the fundamental interval. So we shall be making use of this to solve problems involving temperature conversions. Remember to subscribe to our channel to help promote it. Subscribe to our channel and invite our friends. Let's continue. Welcome back. Let us look at how we can convert from Celsius scale to Fahrenheit scale. We have said that this is the lower fixed point for Celsius scale, and this is the upper fixed point, Celsius scale, and for Fahrenheit scale, Fahrenheit scale, we have it as, this is 32 degree Fahrenheit, and this is 212 degree Fahrenheit. So we want to convert from centigrade to Fahrenheit. Let's see if we can find a relationship. Assuming this is an unknown Fahrenheit scale. Okay, the difference between this and this we have said is the fundamental interval. Assuming we have a value for the Fahrenheit scale which corresponds to a value in the centigrade scale, how do we convert it? For instance, you have a value in the Fahrenheit scale, degree Fahrenheit, and you have to convert it to a value in degrees Celsius. How do you do that? So we say for this you have degrees Celsius minus 0 upon, this is 100 minus 0 equals, this is degree Fahrenheit minus 32 upon 212 minus what? 32. So we now have degree Celsius upon 100 equals degree Fahrenheit minus 32 upon 180. So if we can multiply this, there are things we can do now. We can use this formula now to convert degree Fahrenheit to what? Degree Celsius. We can break this thing down. We can break this down so that we have that F minus 32 upon 9 equals C upon 5. Degrees Celsius upon 5. So when you break this down, you have this. So we can use this formula to convert a problem that is in degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Let us see if we can now make use of this to solve one of our problems. So let us solve this. We want to convert minus 20 degrees Celsius to a value in degree Fahrenheit. So recalling our formula, degree Fahrenheit minus 32 upon 9 equals C, a number in degrees Celsius over 5. So, and we have this as minus 20. So we have this minus 32 upon 9 equals minus 20 upon what? 5. All right. If 5 dividing this, you have it as minus 4. So you have that this degree Fahrenheit minus 32 upon 9 equals minus 4. So when you cross multiply, you have the degree Fahrenheit minus 32 equals, so when you multiply 9 by 4, what do you have? When you multiply 9 by minus 4, you have minus 36. Minus 36. So they have degree Fahrenheit minus 32 equals minus 36. Minus 36. So when you cross, when this one crosses, what do you have? Okay, when it crosses, you have it as degree Fahrenheit equals minus 36 plus 32, which is minus 4 degree Fahrenheit. So we have converted minus 20 degrees Celsius to degree Fahrenheit, and we have it as minus 4 degree Fahrenheit. So using this formula. So let us now see how we can convert degrees Celsius to a value in Kelvin. So what we want to find now, we want to convert this, minus 20 degrees Celsius to a number in Kelvin, a value in Kelvin. We have succeeded in converting it to the degree Fahrenheit. So we have to convert from degree Celsius to Kelvin. You use this relation T upon K. This K is the value of the temperature in Kelvin equals the value in degrees Celsius or centigrade plus 273. So we have it as minus, this is, all right, sorry for that. So we have minus 20 degrees Celsius plus 273. So we have minus, so when you perform this, you have 253 Kelvin. So we have converted minus 20 degree Celsius to a value in degree Fahrenheit, and we got it as minus 4 degree Fahrenheit, and we converted this again to Kelvin. We have it as to Kelvin. Okay, we have it as 253 Kelvin. So the temperature scale which we introduced, we say is used for temperature measurement, and it helps in conversion between temperature values or readings. So when you have a thermometer reading in degrees Celsius, you can always find a value in Kelvin, okay, and you can also find the value in Fahrenheit scale. All right, let us solve the remaining problem. So to solve this problem, let us refer to our temperature scale. We have this as 212 degree Fahrenheit. This is 32 degree Fahrenheit. This is ice point and this is same point. So when you come to Kelvin scale, it corresponds to 273 Kelvin ice point and 373 Kelvin steam point. So when you know, for instance, in this problem, a value is given in the degree Fahrenheit. You want to find a value in what? Kelvin. In Kelvin. K, we don't know it. So let us say this is 20 degree Fahrenheit. So following similar method we did before, we have 20 minus 32 upon, this is 212 minus 32, you have K minus 273 upon 373 minus 273. So we have, so when you do this, when you make this subject of formula, okay, you have it as approximately 266 Kelvin. So we have converted 20 degrees Fahrenheit to what? A value in Kelvin. So if you have enjoyed this video, do well to follow us on our Facebook page, Science E. This is Neselifa Academy. It was formerly called Science E-Learning Academy. So find our page on Facebook, Neselifa Academy. It is spelled as Neselifa Academy. So search us on Facebook, Neselifa Academy, and follow us for more updates. We prepare students for their exams, especially those preparing for their WAEC exams, UTME exams, and university students. So follow us on Facebook, Neselifa Academy, and don't forget to invite your friends. Invite your friends, tell them that there is a channel that prepares students for their exams. Okay, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated when we post our videos. Thank you for watching. Do have a lovely day ahead. Happy Sunday.